If you switch jobs right now, chances are you'll get paid more for the next position. At one of my previous jobs, I was in an unfortunate situation where I pretty much had to jump ship, and no, I was not being laid off. I got to applying to several different companies and I kept getting rejected. That is until one company reached out to me and wanted to interview me that I had ironically applied to months before I was in this situation, and I got the job.
Oh, say less.
They actually wanted me to work for them. That's not even the best part. It was for $30,000 more than I was already making for the same level position. $30,000 more. Let that sink in. I know I wasn't underpaid at my current position, but clearly there was money being left off the table that I possibly could have been making sooner. This is also why I say, even if you're in a position where you're not necessarily looking to switch jobs, just apply here and there and find out what you're worth. If you don't get an offer, it still wasn't a waste of time because you got interview practice. However, I will advise to not get too comfortable switching jobs just for the cash, because eventually you will max out your market value, and the last thing you want is to be 5 years into your career with 3 different companies on your resume. Leverage your options and decide what's best for you. Just remember that money isn't everything. I'm slowly realizing that as I'm getting older. Relax, I'm only 25 though. Go get that bread, yo. Inflation's crazy right now. No one's hiring. Boba tea's $10. A submarine ticket is like $200,000. I don't know what to do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys are making, or not. It's fine.